Okay, looking at our Factorising Daily 5, up to day 5 today. So remember, if you want to pause the video, have a go at the questions, and then watch the answers. So we have our m squared plus m, looking for a common factor between those two, and that will be an m. So we can write m outside of m squared plus 1. In the second one, we have a common factor of p minus 3, so we can put that out the front, p take 3, and in the bracket, we have p take 2 in the second bracket because that's the leftover parts. In the third one, we have a difference of 2 squares, so we can write that as x squared minus 5 squared, and then we're able to do that pattern of x plus 5, x take away 5. In the third one, we have our monic quadratic because we have a equals 1 value there, b equals negative 7, c equals 12, so our AC is equal to 12 and our b is equal to negative 7. So we want two numbers that are going to multiply to give positive 12 but add to give negative 7. So we want two negative numbers because negative times a negative will give a positive, and then they will add to give a negative. So two numbers that go into 12 are 3 and 4. When we make them negative, negative 3 times negative 4 will give us positive 12, and negative 3 plus negative 4 will give us negative 7. So we're able to put that straight into the brackets and write x take 3 and x take 4. Oh, in this case y, sorry. Y take 3, y take 4 goes into the brackets. The last one we have is our non-monic quadratic. So we're writing down our a equals 7, b equals 11, and c equals negative 6. So our AC is equal to negative 42, and our b is equal to 11. So we're wanting two things that will go into 42, but we have a negative and add to 11. So a positive number and a negative number, and that will add to 11. So thinking about what goes into 42, so we've got 6 and 7. Obviously that's not going to work. Then we've got our 14 times 3 would give us 42. So if we do a positive 14 but a negative 3, that will add to give 11. So instead of our 11x here, we're going to write 14x take 3x. So we're going to rewrite this one up here as 7x squared plus 14x take away 3x take away 6, and we could have written them in the other order, it will still work. Looking at the first two terms, have a common factor of 7x, so we're left with x plus 2 in our bracket, and the second two terms have a common factor of minus 3, sorry. And so in our bracket will be x plus 2 there. Now we can see we have a common bracket of x plus 2. That can come out the front. And in our second bracket, we'll go 7x take 3.